Sometimes on the trail, you get really emotional. Something just hits you, wells up, and brings up a lot of emotion. Like, I haven't been able to say or articulate very well why I'm doing this. Like, why will this time be different? Why? It hasn't been different any other time. So, like, what's gonna happen at the end of this? We just go back to the way things were? Because there's a certain level of, like, perceived or illusion comfort in living lazy, not coming out for a walk like that. Like, it's way easier to sit on the couch, eat ice cream, watch YouTube. Just this. Arguably more comfortable too. Why this time? Like, I'm not a bad son, but I'm not the son I want to be to my parents. I'm not a bad grandson, but I'm not the grandson I want to be for my grandma. And I think I'm a pretty amazing uncle. I love my nephews and nieces so much. And I'm there for them every chance I get. And I'm so intentional about spending time with them, paying attention to every single one, loving and affirming them, and just taking joy in every moment of their lives. Like they discover belly buttons. Like it's some amazing scientific discovery. Like they just uncovered a new compound or like whatever you call it. I love them. The way I'm living, I'm not going to be around very long for them. And my uncle died when he was 28. Stomach cancer. They didn't have the test to catch it back then. How incredible would this life have been with him if he had been around? There's this picture of him holding me and stories of him teasing me. Just how much joy were we robbed of? I'm going to do that to my nephews and nieces if I don't make a change. I don't think it's about thinking like, what if anymore? It's about learning how to make the decision each day. What's more important to me? Short-term comfort, greater long-term pain, or short-term pain for greater long-term joy, fulfillment, satisfaction, peace, adventure, experience, love. But that doesn't make that decision any easier every day when you have to make it. So I'm praying a new prayer every day now. God, would you give me the strength to be who you want me to be? Even if that means tired legs, a worn out brain, hurt muscles, and less rest time. How selfish is me time anyways, if it means I'm robbing my nieces and nephews of future years with me? So we keep going. We keep going until the change is instilled deep inside of us. That's what we do this time. No matter how many tries it takes. The failure isn't failing the challenge, it's not playing the game anymore. That's what's going to be different this time. That's what has to change. You with me? Walk tall.